Yes, I just watching that with bedroom, and I thought, well, I went outside, I texted some scrap. So I thought, I was planning on probably resell this, but I thought, well, got some weight in it. Not hardly I've seen anything of this. I've seen one I've seen it on a Google image, and that, but I couldn't hardly do much research on it, to be fair, because there was nothing hardly to read. But time would take this apart, I could tell somebody would be going, oh, I could have that off you, but it got chucked out for a reason. It's been scratched a couple of times. It's the paint's gone off on there. No plug on it. I can mainly hear something rushing around, so it's probably really a bit dirt in it. So what it is, just 2 screws, one on each side. I guess I might need them in a minute. I don't even look. Well, wait, look around up. Yeah, I've just been wrapping up some Christmas presents up. Time I've done this video, it won't get uploaded till about probably a day later, but I've been wrapping up some birthday presents and all, so yeah. So that was easy. Pop off. So what, clean transformer. So it's been tagged on the bottom. So that's gonna be a little bit of an issue. I can mend that bit more. See if I can apply it and see. Yeah, because it'll be one of those airgun things where you press it for so long and then it pops in, so certainly. I'm blind as hell. There's 2 more screws underneath. This one. So, if I place it there, you might see motor full. Yeah, it's got a clean screw there, but what's in it? Screw. Died on this, you see it drop. Then slides out. Let's cut the Even. Let's put it through. One. And cut this bit off here. So that's that in a bit. So let's just cut this bit of came off here. It says 22 the 4th, 86. So was that the date that it got made? I'm sorry. There you go. So yeah, it's got like a date type thing there, not 22 the 4th, 86. So yeah. So technically, since it's all been, tagged, that with these sort of tools, it's just been put on and one way I could do is with a grinder. And I kind of lent it out to someone. Well, I know I've got a bigger one, but I'm not going to just get a big, go and get the transformer out just to do that. But see on the transformer 2 flats, and so use it small. I'll get what I'm gonna do. See if it does it. Not sure that boat. Yeah, there's a boat there. Yeah, not with the barrow there. So there you go. Isn't that information bit? So yeah, so the transformer, so but yeah, I had some weight to it when I was carrying it, because I put a link in of a video on the scrap mode, and it wasn't as bad. But I suppose I got it all in one load. Some light iron. What I did, I spotted this and a car battery charger, and what it were, I thought, well, I can either leave it here, get the trolley and I could have put it on as one load. But I thought, no, I seen it. Yeah. And I thought, I carry it instead. So I just managed to carry the car battery charger. And one then it went straight in. Yeah, that bit same. So I thought, well, it's a battery and a transformer. And I thought, well, they're both copper, lead. But I said, it's transformer, it's just steel, iron, and copper. I'll just burn them and I can get the brass out. Because I didn't have like a fire at some point, so. So they go in with my cable. Put the phone in the way. Yeah. Just only just took one of these apart. Yeah. But now I got another one. So do that when I can. So yeah. But it is handy where I've got the tools inside this. And I don't believe my cutters. I just put them on there and I can just set it and it's in there. Because I'm going to take a lot of stuff apart. But just each time then I'm not carrying lots of stuff. So yeah. I'm going to go watch this movie on my laptop. Gonna connect it to my TV. I'll shoot to you guys soon. Peace out. See you later.